volume of cube. You know cube? We said cube has what? Cube has 6 faces, 8 vertices, 12 edges. Okay? Volume of cube. Cube has, like cuboid, 3 dimensions. We know in cuboid has length, width, and height. Length, width, and height. But cube has length, width, and height, but all of them are equal. All of them are equal because each face in the cube is a square. Okay? Cube, all the faces are, all of the 6 faces squares. All of them are squares. Okay? So the sides are equal. So dimensions also are equal. Dimensions will be side, side, and side. Okay? Side, side, side. All of the sides are equal. So volume of cube equal volume of cube equal side by side by side. Volume of cube side by side by side. Okay? To get volume of cube, we want only the side lengths. We want only the side lengths. Because cube, all of its faces are squares. All of its faces are squares. Okay? So, sides of a square, all of them equal. Each two opposite sides equal. All of the sides are equal. Okay? And also the 12 edges of the cube are equal in length. All of them are equal in length. All of the edges equal in length. Okay? So, when we know the sum of all edges and I want only one edge, we make a sum of edges divided 12. Sum of all edges divided 12. To get, when I have sum of all edges and I want only one edge, I make what? Sum divided 12. Sum divided 12. Okay? Okay, primary. If I have perimeter, I want a perimeter of one face. How we get perimeter of square? Side by 4. But if I have all perimeter and I want only one edge, I make divided 4. We want the side, we make perimeter divided 4. Perimeter divided 4. For example, here, if the sum of all edges is 24, the sum of all edges 24. To get the volume, we want only one edge. We make the 24 divide 12. 24 divide 12. 24 divide 12 equal 2. 24 divide 12 equal 2. So if I want area, a side by side equal 4. If I want a perimeter, side by 4 equal 8. If I want volume, a side by side by side. Side equal what? Side equal 2. We make 2 by 2 by 2 equals 8 cubic centimeter. 8 cubic centimeter. Again, if I have the sum of all edges and I want to get area or perimeter or volume, I have the sum of all edges. Okay? How we get area? We want side, only one side. First make divide 12. First make divide 12. First make divide 12 to get one edge or to get the side length. Make divide 12 equal 2. To get area, area equal side by side. Side equal 2. 2 by 2 equal 4. To get perimeter, side by 4. Side equal 2. 2 by 4 equal 8. To get volume, volume equal side by side by side. 2 by 2 by 2 equals 8 cubic centimeter. 8 cubic centimeter. Okay? If I have area of one face and I want by what give me 16? 4 by 4. So side equal 4. The side equal 4. The side equal 4. So if I want the total area of all the faces, area of one face by 6. We have 6 faces. An area of one face by 6. Okay, area of one face by 6. Area of one face by area of one face by 6 faces. Okay. If I want volume, we have side equal 4. We make 4 by 4 by 4 equal 64 cubic centimeter. 64 cubic centimeter. Again, primary. Here, now we have that volume equal side length by side length by side length. Volume of cube, side length by side length by side length. And area of one face equal side by 4. And the perimeter of one face equal perimeter of one face area of one face side by side. I am sorry, perimeter of one face side by 4. Okay, again, volume equal side by side by side. Area of one face side by side. Perimeter of one face side by 4. Okay, if I have the sum of all edges and I want only one edge, we make divided 12. If I have the perimeter and I want one edge, we make divided 4. Okay, this is some important rules. It will help us to solve the exercises on volume of cube. Okay, volume of cube side by side by side. Area of one face side by side. Perimeter of one face side by 4. Sum of all edges to get one edge, make divide 12. If we have perimeter, we want one edge, we make divide 4. We make divide 4. Okay? Now, this is page 85, pamphlet page 85. Study this page well and write these rules on it. Okay? Now, we will go to page 86. We will solve question 2. Choose. Choose the correct answer. Here I have the sum of edge. I have the sum of all edges. I want volume. I want volume. How? I know that volume equal side by side by side. Here I have one side. No, I have the sum of all the sides. So I will make 36 divided 12 first. 36 divided 12 equal 3 centimeters. This is one side. Now I will make 3 by 3 by 3. 3 by 3, 9. 9 by 3, 27. 27 cubic centimeter or centimeter square. Cubic centimeter because it's a volume. Okay? B. If the perimeter of one of a cube faces, I have perimeter of one face. Okay? How we get the volume? I know that volume equal side by side by side. Here I have perimeter, I don't have side. So we will make, to get the side, we will make perimeter divided 4. Perimeter equal 4. 4 divided 4 equal 1. Side equal 1. one side equal, one will volume equal, 1 by 1 by 1 equal 1. Okay, primary, you understand now? Here I have the sum of all edges, we make divide 12. Here I have perimeter, we make divided 4. Here I have the volume. I want only edge. Let's edge. How? Volume equal 125. So in your calculator, to get from volume, we have volume equal 125. To get one edge outside, we make cubic root. We make cubic root. On your calculator, there is a sign root. We make cubic root. Okay? Side will be 5. Okay? 5 by 5 by 5 equal 125. Okay? To check our answer, we make 5 by 5 by 5, 125. Now I have the sum of a cube edges, like A. I have the sum of all edges 24. How we get the volume? I want the side. I want the side. How we get the side? The sum divided 12. 24 divided 12 equal 2. So the volume 2 by 2 by 2 equal 8. Okay, equals 8. Now in question E, if the area of one face is 25, area of one face 25, area equal 25. We know that side by side equal 25. If side by side 25, only one side will be 5. Side will be 5. I want the volume 5 by 5 by 5 equal 125. Equal 125. Okay, primary area, and there is another solution. On your calculator, from area to get side, make square root, make root 25. Root 25 equal 5. Root 25 equal 5. F, a cube, the perimeter of its base 12. We have perimeter, and I want the volume. How? Make divided 4 to get the side. Perimeter equal 12. 12 divided 4, 3. A volume will be 3 by 3 by 3 equal 27. Again primary. This rule is so important. It will help us to solve the exercises on volume of cube. First, volume of cube side by side by side. I want only the side to get the volume. I can get it from area, from perimeter, from sum of all edges. From area, we have area equal side by side. If I want only one side, we make root area. We make root area. To get side, root area. Okay? If I have perimeter of one face, we make a perimeter equal side by 4. If I want the side, perimeter divided 4. Sum of all edges 1. If I want one edge and I have sum of all edges, we make divide 12. We make divide 12. Okay? And if I have perimeter and I want only one edge, we make divided 4. We make divided 4. Okay, primary? Now I finished my lesson. Study well these rules. Okay, and solve homework question 1 complete. Thank you.